Oh my God. Are you guys able to hear me now? Okay. Marina, are you able to hear me now? Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Борис тоже не слышал, не знаю, как остальные.
Okay. Yeah. So okay. We can start it again. So just imagine closing your eyes. Imagine that everything that has been communicated to me was not true, is not true. Все, что там вам передалось, было неверно. Закрываем глаза и думаем. We think that our body is the most important thing on the planet, and when the body will die, we will also die. So we have to live for the moment. Oh, there's something wrong with the call. Okay, everyone, I'm going to be calling again. I'll have to call out and call in. So just be patient then. Okay, I'll be calling out again. Namaste, namaste, namaste. Namaste again means the divine in me bows down to the divine in you. Святая дивность внутри меня преклоняется перед святой дивностью внутри каждого из вас. Мы начинаем сегодня. We are going to be starting with Namaste, which means the divine in me is bowing down to the divine in you. But before we start the lesson, this meditation is going to be very different. So closing your eyes, just think that everything about God, holiness, spirit, everything is a mistake. Only the body and your senses are true. Everything else is fake. So your body, which is you, your body is the ultimate aim of your being at random by coincidence on this planet. Вы получили свое тело, и это тело и является самым важным вашей миссией. Сохранить, беречь Nirajivat. So the body becomes your most important attribute, your domain. The mission of your life is to keep your body happy. And God, etc. Maybe there is a God, maybe there is no God, doesn't matter. You came to this planet random. Chistes lucianus. You are an animal who is more evolved than the other animals, but you are an animal. So you live for food, sex, and fun. And that is the most important thing. Now, everything that has happened in your life, Syosto Prajashol Swami, Vilar Riyad, and feel how your heart is becoming. Everyone who did bad things to you is bad. Everyone who hurt you is really a bad person, and there is good and bad in the universe. And if there was good, then you would be a king or queen. So the universe is very, very dumb, unintelligent. There are laws of physics, but your life, there is no law. No such thing. There is no rational order to your life. You were born, you will die, you have these limited amount of seconds to do whatever you can do for your body. Viradilis, Ivasha Misa Takaifovat Telum, Seludikaturivasa Bijalia Niplaki, Siabi Divashi Nastashi, и Вселенной нет никакой несправедливости, никакой баланс, ничего такого. Есть ограничения, случайные какие-то миги на земле, и вы должны кайфовать телом, и все, радоваться. Вот это радость там, кайф тела, вот радость. And your judgments are right. All your thoughts in your head, yes, they are right. You are right, and the whole world is wrong. And again, the universe is really doesn't appreciate you. The universe, in fact, is your enemy. Your plan is to have so much amount of fun, go to Las Vegas or go somewhere and have sex and drinks and food and this, and ultimately it comes down to money, and that is the way to live. Absolutely. And that is what you should teach your children also. Money is the most important. Do whatever you can to get money, and then money will make you feel better, and money is the key to everything. And maybe there is God, but most probably not. Because if there was a God, how can there be so many stupid things happening on the planet? The politicians would be asking you, Mr. Trump would be asking you how to rule, and Trudeau will be asking you, and Putin will be asking you, you know what, please help me with making other people happy. Those people are so stupid. And you are really intelligent. You have got brains. The others also, but less. But others have more money. Others have more money, but they don't deserve it. Others may be more happy, but they don't deserve it. Drugi kes денег или они могут чувствовать себя, но у них нет никакого права. You are the only person who should be happy, whose brains should be acknowledged, and you are the topmost, but no one recognizes you. The universe, therefore, is stupid. The universe does not recognize you. And everything in your life that has happened is real. The whole world is very, very real. And you just have some seconds to have and enjoy life by drinking and doing whatever your body and your mind and your heart will do, whatever it will tell you to do. And these books and church and Om and all these things are for stupid people who don't know better. Because you don't see any God, so how can there be a God? If there was a God, then you would be seeing that God. But you are smart and you are right. And you are against this universe, which is always making you feel small. But in reality, with your willpower, you can control your life with your willpower. Nobody but your willpower, you can dominate and you can achieve whatever you want. Now, вам дано средство завоевать против своего противника. Вот Вселенная, это ваш противник, и вам дано вот эта сила воли, чтобы победить. И все, что было в прошлом, все обиды и так далее, они активны у вас в сердце, как вулканы. И ваши мысли там, да, я прав, все это реально, и они накрывают головой. All your thoughts that you are alone, isolated, and you have to take care of yourself. No one else is taking care of you. Никто не заботится о вас, все заботятся только о себе, поэтому вы тоже только о себе. А себе означает только о моем теле. And that is the right way. And body likes things which you can get with money, so money is the most important thing. If you live all your life on money, 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 it's good. You are intelligent, you are really, really smart. And you took care of your important moi, oh great. You are practical, you are pragmatic. Вы прагматичны, вы практичны, вы умницы, вы молодец. You are what everyone should be like. Everyone should be learning from you how practical you are. You care about your body, you don't care a damn about anything else. Вам по барабану разрушение окружающего, вы только заботитесь о себе. Весь мир это случайности, одни случайности за другими. Somehow, the gases came together, life started, it made those molecules became apes, and from apes you evolve and you are at the top of evolution. But other people on the planet, they are a problem. They don't recognize you. When you drive, they drive in a different way. You look through your body and they look through there, and your point of view is the right point of view. All others are wrong or less right, let's say. And now you are really happy. Yes, this is what the schools had taught me. This is what practical means. Вот это прагматизм. У вас есть спасибо. Вот это так. Вот это я понимаю. Мое тело, мое ощущение, мои заботы о себе, моя любовь, мои отношения. Все мое. А то, что не мое, не завидую или не имеет значения. And all your life, all your fights, they were real. Everything that has happened in your life is real. And the future, you are afraid of it. But you will take care of it. Закрытыми глазами, еще раз, у нас телек включился. Закрытыми глазами, свежим взглядом на себе. Just take a fresh look and imagine that everything about God, love, holy love, is wrong. And you are just the body. Вы только тело, и вы должны заботиться об единственное, то, что вам принадлежит. Тело и то, что принадлежит, если земля, вещи и так далее, все это реально. И стоит жить прагматичнее. Думать только о себе, потому что все люди думают только о себе. Поэтому вы не должны быть исключением. И все вот эти проблемы, которые были, every problem that you had was real, and you have learned from it how not to trust anyone. You are ready. Now, everyone who has hurt you is bad. All your things in your head, all your thoughts that you are right and everyone else is wrong. And the universe is your fighting with you to make you unhappy, and you are using your power, willpower to be happy. And it's always been a struggle. The universe is not a friend. Your past has taught you that. The universe is not your friend. There is no support. In fact, the laws of randomness are there. There is no order. There is only chaos, anarchy in the world. There is law and order in society so that it can function. Закон есть в обществе, чтобы действовали. Но жизни нету. Any driver on the road can be drunk and can hit your car, even if you are driving perfectly well. So it's a word in which you need to be very careful in everything, very, very careful. In fact, it's okay to be afraid, because if you leave your wallet somewhere, someone will steal it for sure, 100%. You know that. So you have to be very careful. In fact, you may not even like to try. And COVID, etc., are dumb things. Whatever is happening in the world is dumb. Because there is no order to it. If you were planning things, then you would have been doing things differently. Если Putin, если Gorbachev во время посоветовался, если Трамп и Обама с вами советовали, или Трудо советовали с нами, то мир вели вообще другой. А сейчас бардак. And your life has got a meaning to take care of your body. Now, also, there is no true love. Only so in very, very short, with closed eyes, imagine a world in which there is no God. Or maybe there is a doubt about God. Maybe he's there, maybe he's not there, but you don't really care about him and he does not care about you. And you have to be super smart and pragmatic, because there is no God. You have to take care of yourself. You have some few seconds on this planet that you have to live and enjoy. And enjoyment means having food, sex, wine, or going to the beach like this, and whatever makes you feel happy, do that. It's called hedonism, and that is why it is recognized. You only have very few seconds, and so it's okay to live for yourself. So whatever was told to you about God, let's imagine that it was a lie. And this is the ultimate truth, that you are born as a coincidence on the planet Earth. Some of the gases formed, amino acids were created, and then from amino acids, amoeba came, and then eventually somehow they became apes, and from apes then people came out, and you are at the top of the food chart. You are the most intelligent, but the other people, they are different, so they are dumb, stupid, and you are the only one with the key to the better you. You know everything better, and of course about your life you know better, but in your life the universe has never helped you. The universe is dumb, stupid, otherwise you would have won a lottery. Otherwise all the people would say, hey, you are so good at taking care of yourself, please teach us. And maybe you can even do a fake Om, and you will be a teacher, and you can just open your mouth and people will pay you big money, and that is where you want to be. You want everyone respects you, and that is life. And you had sex, so you have children and some things, and you wanted to be with someone, you did it for someone to have some fun with. So you have some partner, and the partner is not really up to your standards, etc. So it's okay. You can kick the partner out, because the whole life is random and coincidences rule. It's a coincidence you met some person and they became involved in your life, and then you had sex, and then you had children, etc. So now, and you are always separated, isolated. You have the responsibility to enjoy life, and so many things in the universe stop you from enjoying life. So the universe is your enemy. You only have fake friends so that you can make some money or something, and making money is the most important thing, because money can get you the things that your body needs to feel good. More softer clothes, a better car, a bigger house to show it. And of course, the people who have more, you secretly hate them or are jealous of them. It is the same thing. Now, In this universe where there is no God and no balance, в этом мире, где нету ни справедливости, никакого скрытого понятия Бога, дивности, only biological, только биологическое начало, only biological self-esteem. Now with closed eyes, I want you to look at your heart. Everyone, with closed eyes now, having heard what I said, that there is no God and only the real biological you is the truth. Now I want you to take a look at your heart. And the heart is now scared. And it is like a battlefield. Serca сейчас замирал от страха, от одиночества. Your heart is now a battlefield with all past memories coming up. Even when you were born, it was a trauma. You were born crying. So why shouldn't you be living crying? And dying, of course, everyone is going to cry. So crying, etc. is fine. There is no real God. You were a biological entity. You came and you will just vanish back from who knows where you came. Now look at your heart. And all people in your life are just stupid coincidences. Now look at your heart. And you are totally responsible for your life. Whatever has happened is because of the other people didn't let you be happy. So you blame other people. Now look at your heart. Now in the deepest part of your heart, of course you want to blame someone. Why did this happen in your life? Why did that happen in your life? Go back to the source. You have to go back to the source. Во своих мыслях идите в источник его. И спрашивайте. You can ask the source of your biological life. So go to the source. Why there is no God? Why there is no happiness in your life? Go to the source. Om Brahmam Swachindam. Om Brahmam Swachindam. Om Brahma Swachindam. You go to the God of Abraham. You go to Brahma, the original cause of everything in the life. Ви сейчас возвращаете к источнику. Откуда-то источник есть. Даже если биологическое начало есть источник. Even if your life is just biological, there is a starting point. You are addressing the starting point. Why are you unhappy? And the mantra Om Brahma Swachindam means, oh, original cause. Первый источник всего. Почему я несчастный? Om Brahma Swachindam. Om Brahma Swachindam. Om Brahma Swachindam. Now look at your heart. Сейчас смотрите свое сердце, когда вы даже во мыслях обращаетесь к источнику. Now look at your heart, which is starting to heal. Сердце, который лечится общением с первым источником. Первый источник, even as you start communication in your thoughts with the first cause of everything, before space and time started, the God of Abraham, Brahman, is the universe in its original form. Om Brahma Swachandam. As you start to speak and communicate with God, the source of all gods, the source of time and source, As you communicate, the sense of peace starts to flow in and cure your heart. As you start, как вы общаетесь, даже во мыслях, особенно во мыслях, может быть, с первым источником, с мантрой и намерением Ом Брахма Свачиндам, коммуникации с возвышенным успокаивает, и прилив энергии любви успокаивает сердце. The dosage of energy of love flowing through from the original creator of cause. Even the communication in thoughts is balancing at your heart. And the mantra, Om, now just mantra, Om, the mantra of becoming one with the original creator. Om, 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 Om. And you realize that you're talking with yourself and you're communicating with God, with God. Вы осознаете, что вы общаетесь сам с собой, низшее я, который задает вопросы и который считает, что жизнь такая-сякая, общается со своей же стороны внутри себя с вечностью и сразу успокаивается сердце. The lower you is in direct communication with representation of the infinity of love, the original cause of the universe, of all the gods. And immediately your heart starts to get a dosage of pure love balance. It doesn't matter what you ask. Why am I unhappy? Oh Lord, how am I unhappy? It does not matter your question. The main thing is the communication is happening with the lower you and the upper you. Не имеет значения, какой вопрос, какой жалобы вы обращаетесь к возвышенному. Главное, что вот в периоде общения с высшим я внутри себя строится мост, по которому вы получаете чистое спокойство любви. Your heart is healing now fully, and it's opening like a flower, like a lotus. Om Namo Shiva. Your heart is opening like a flower, like Om Namo Shiva. Your heart is opening as you communicate with God inside you. Ваше сердце открывается простым общением с вечностью внутри себя. Поскольку как только строится мост, обмен любви происходит. Все ограничения исчезают в сердце. Just this, as soon as you communicate with God inside you, the fact of communication resolves all your worries, all your limitations in the heart, and your heart opens like a flower. Om Namo Shiva. Om Namo Shiva. Brahma, the creator, becomes Shiva, infinite love. Om initiates your contact with God. Namo, not your restricted and limited self. Shiva is the conditional name for infinity of love. There is no Mr. God. There is only infinity of love. Om Namo Shiva. Om Namo Shiva. Om Namo Shiva. Your heart is like a flower radiating love. Ваше сердце как лотос излучает любви всем. И сейчас засекаете свое состояние. Right now, see your heart blessing everything and everyone. Сейчас поймите свое состояние любви, когда вы излучаете любовь всем и всему. И это и есть разница между ад и рай. This is the difference between hell and heaven. When in your heart you thought you are just this biological body, you were in hell. You were unsupported, you were small, the universe was fighting with you. The whole life was just a biological entity with some time on this planet to live for your body, and God was not there helping. Your life had no meaning. Your children have no meaning. Your partner has no meaning. Only your body had meaning. And that is what hell is. Жить ради своего тела в ограничениях своих мыслях, что я и есть самый важный, вот это и есть ад. And when your heart is open, когда сердце открыто и улыбается любовью и излучает любви всем и всему, безусловно, нету там вопроса, этот человек меня обидел, этот человек не обидел. Все играли свою роль в игре вашей жизни, вы излучаете любви всем. You are spreading love unconditionally. You do not really care what role the other person played in you, as long as they played some part in your life. This is heaven. Being in touch with God brings you directly to heaven. Your heart is open, you are in heaven. Your heart was closed, you were in hell. You thought that you are this biological body and you have to live for your body and for yourself, and the universe says there is no God, and you are just a pragmatical person living for money so that you could make your body happy, your ego happy. This is hell. And when you are living in direct communion with God, just by communicating and now starting to trust, when you communicate with God, когда мы общаемся с бесконечностью силах внутри нас, вы же не можете общаться, если нет ничего. И этой вере, что есть что-то выше вас, сразу балансирует. И общение с Богом дает вам те же самые качества, которые у Божества есть. It's like you play with a really better golf player. So his game doesn't go down, but your game improves. Or you play any game with the professional, your game will improve. In the same way, being in touch with God inside you will give you God's characteristics of being full of peace, love, and harmony for others. Oh, Namo Shiva. And this is heaven inside you. Heaven is not anywhere. A heart full of love is heaven. A heart without love is hell. Сердце, в котором есть любви и служение для других, это и есть рай. Сердце, в котором нет любви для других, это ад. And to feel that you are in heaven, you always have to be communicating with God. It does not matter what you communicate, how you communicate, but you communicate in a higher self. Не имеет такое значение первоначально, за что вы обращаетесь, как обращаетесь, выпивая вино обращаетесь, занимаясь сексом обращаетесь, в этом храме обращаетесь, сидя в транспорте обращаетесь, не имеет значения. It doesn't matter what or how you are doing, when you are working out towards God, you are in communication. It can be anything. You can be drinking wine, you can be having relationship, you can be on, but you are talking, communicating with God. Your heart will get the characteristics of God. You are not talking with God. You are in hell. And all the people in your life, they represent God. So whenever you talk or communicate with anything or anyone in the universe, who created everything? The same source as you. So when you talk with anyone, when you eat food, it's from God. You started life. You don't even understand life. You appeared on this planet. Who gifted you this planet? Who gifted you this planet? Кто вам подарил это появлением на Земле? Непонятное, необъяснимое, Bojisvinne sila. Biology can only explain the body. Biology cannot explain how the spirit evolved. Biology can say, oh, you are today this years old. How old is your spirit? No one knows. Just let go of this body thing, because anything associated with the body will take you down to hell. Anything associated with God will take you to heaven. Sitting and doing nothing, just be in communication with God right now. So use the mantra. Any prayer is used to communicate with God. Earlier it used to be God someone somewhere, but right now during meditation, we are all going to be using the prayer to communicate with God inside. So use the vibration. The technique is first have an understanding of what heaven and hell is, and to get to hell, start communicating with God. Учение простое. Ад – это неверие в Бога и любви, потому что это одно из них. Рай – это верить в себе, осознать, что я и Бог – это единая сила. И для этого общения употребляют вибрации, мантры, молитвы, чтобы докопаться, чтобы долетать от ограниченного «я» во физическом теле через астральное тело к Брахману, где Шива обитает. So with the mantra, which is a prayer, we will all go from the physical world deep inside, crossing over the astral world to the place where the source of life, Brahma, is there and where Shiva lives. The universe is created by Brahma and Brahma is in it, but we are going to the infinity of love in it. And we are going to be using Om Namo Shiva. Om will be in our heart. Namo, we will be in touch with the divine force, the infinity of love inside you. Shiva, we will vanish. Om, мы начинаем от биологического центра своего сердца. Намо, как будто это средство транспорта. Долетаем намо прямо там, где Брахма создал вечности, где находится сила вечности. Бога много сторон, сила вечности отражается как Шива. Как богатство духов не отражается, как Лакшми. Вот Шива – это бесконечная самореализация. Куда? Кому мы сейчас идем? We are going to Shiva, the side of God that represents the godliness, grace in giving us self-realization of who we are. Om in the center of the heart. Namo, crossing over the astral. Namo, мы пролетаем с помощью вибрации намо через астрального мира, который между мной, физической, и я, где внутренний первый источник нашего. Shivai растворится. Shivai, we will be dissolving. When we reach God, we will just vanish. Our body, our mind, everything will vanish. We will be not only be in heaven, we will be heaven. То есть мы, Shivai, мы не будем в рай чувствовать, мы будем часть рая. Начинаем. Om Namo. Deep inside yourself. Namo. Shiva, take a deep breath. Shiva. And letting go and dissolve. Om Namo. Shiva, take a deep breath. Shiva, глубокий вдох. Растворится внутри вас сердце, что все обиды, переживания, все становится океан любви в сердце. Om Namo Shiva. Dissolve all your anger, all your thoughts are dissolving. Om Namo Shiva. Om Namo Shiva. Om Namo Shiva. Om Namo Shiva. Om Namo. Deep breathing during Shiva. Shiva. And let it go and dissolve. Rastvaritsa. She, глубочайший вдох, и спокойный выдох и раствориться. Магия будет сама происходить. Магия растворения с Богом внутри. Om Namo. She, deep breath, глубочайший вдох. She. Why let go and dissolve. Om Namo Shiva. Om Namo Shiva. Dissolve all your past anger, pain, fear, all your doubts that there is a God, that there is divine love, and you are representation of divine love. Растворяйте и растворитесь, что все обиды, переживания, страхи, сомнения, и осознайте себя как часть дивной любви. Океан дивности есть вы. Неограниченное тело, ни эмоции, ни мысли. You are not this finite body with thoughts that come and go. With your style of thinking, dissolve everything. Be healed, be complete. Om Namo Shiva. Be complete. Om Namo Shiva. The technique for this week is she, deepest of your taking deep breath. Om Namo Shiva. And just let go, Shiva. Om Namo Shiva. Be a source of happiness, love, and laughter for everyone. Unconditional. For everyone in the past, for everyone in the future, for everyone in your life right now. Serve everyone unconditionally with love from your love and laughter from your heart. Om Namo Shiva. 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 Slowly learn the lesson so that it sticks with you. If you have any questions, you can ask me right now. But the technique is very simple. Know that when you commune with God, когда мы общаемся с Богом, мы автоматом получаем качество божественных сил. Om Namo спокойно. Просто намерение. Om Namo is peaceful. knowing that when you are in commune with God, you get the qualities of God. Shivai, breathe. Oh, Shi and Vai, deep inside yourself, become one with the ocean of love. To know that your mission is to serve unconditionally. Everyone and everything is divine. So serve everything and everyone. Indians pray to stones and stuff. Why? Because they see God in these things. But the real story is that God is in everything. That's the real story. It's not that people pray to statues and crosses and whatever you think is holy. These are just the starting points. Everything is holy. The tree, your neighbors, yeah, people who hurt you or cause you, everything is holy. If anyone has managed to hurt you in some way, send them love in your thoughts, so that for now you are resolved, balanced out, so that there is no pain, anger, and the healing starts with understanding that it was all part of the divine plan. You are right now in this meditation, so whatever happened right. And if you are not on this planet and you're still in this meditation, still everything that happened right. Don't worry about it. Don't have no conditions at all. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. But your lesson is that you have to feel the vibrations of the prayer inside you and dissolve them. So most people, a lot of people, they pray, but they pray only with the words, or they read words. This group, your need is that you have to feel the vibration inside with the knowledge that there is divinity inside and around and dissolve. And when you are in communication, in communion with God, automatically you will get a sense of peace taking you to heaven. Heaven is not somewhere that you go after death or this. How do you know that earth is not the heaven that you are from? How? And everyone is playing some role. So let everyone play the role, but your role is to spread love. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. If you have any questions, you can send them to me, okay?